Many Hindus have tulsi plants growing in front of their home, often in special pots or a special masonry structure known as Tulsi Vrindavan, as this is related to their culture. Traditionally, tulsi is planted in the center of the central courtyard of Hindu houses. Tulasi, holy basil, or vrinda is a sacred plant in Hindu belief. Hindus regard it as an earthly manifestation of the goddess Tulsi, Vrinda. She is regarded as the avatar of Lakshmi and thus the consort of the god Vishnu. The offering of its leaves is mandatory in ritualistic worship of Vishnu and his avatars like Krishna and Vithoba. Tulsi plant is regarded as the holiest of all plants. The Tulsi plant is regarded as a threshold point between heaven and earth. A traditional prayer narrates that the creator god Brahma resides in its branches. All Hindu pilgrimage centers reside in its root. The Ganges flows within its roots. All deities are in its stem and its leaves, and that the most sacred Hindu texts, the Vedas, are found in the upper part of the holy basil's branches. The Tulsi herb is a center of household religious devotion, particularly among women, and is referred to as the women's deity, and a symbol of wifehood and motherhood. It's also called the central sectarian symbol of Hinduism, and Vaishnavites consider it as the manifestation of God in the plant kingdom. Person who waters and cares for the tulsi daily is believed to gain moksha and the divine grace of Vishnu. Traditionally, the daily worship and care of the plant is the responsibility of the women of the household. Tuesdays and Fridays are considered especially sacred for tulsi worship. Rituals involve watering the plant, cleaning the area near the plant with water and cow dung, and making offerings of food, flowers, incense, ganges, water, etc. Devotees pray to Tulsi and circumambulate the plant while chanting mantras. The Tulsi plant is often worshipped twice in a day, in the morning and in the evening when a lamp is lit. Tulsi is especially sacred in the worship of Vishnu and its forms Krishna and Vithoba and other related Vaishnava deities. Garlands made of 10,000 tulsi leaves, water mixed with tulsi, food items sprinkled with tulsi are offered in veneration to Vishnu or Krishna. Vaishnavas traditionally use japa malas made from tulsi stems or roots called tulsi malas, which are an important symbol of the initiation. Tulsi malas are considered to be auspicious for the wearer and believed to connect him with Vishnu or Krishna and confer the protection of the deity. Every part of the tulsi plant is revered and considered sacred. Even the soil around the plant is holy. The Padma Purana declares a person who is cremated with tulsi wood pieces in his funeral pyre gains moksha and a place in Vishnu's abode Vaikuntha.